Today we decided to take a walk at St. Andrews. First we started out on the marina side and it was wonderful. We haven't been there in a while. The sun was shining, it was just perfect out. Seemed everybody had the same idea that we did, to get out and enjoy the weather. I think the water was finally warm enough to swim. This was really fun. I guess Dan's favorite sea animal is SpongeBob SquarePants. I never get tired of coming here. This is my absolute favorite place to go in Florida. You never know what you're going to see. Today we saw a Navy ship. And back at the marina, we saw 2 baby owls. And we kind of stalked an alligator for a while. This is its territory right here. I guess it was afraid of us because it wouldn't come in. It started to come in, but it turned around, kept going. And then we saw this mother heron with her babies. I was so excited. The best part of this day was just spending it with my best friend. I'll never take any day for granted. Hey, thanks for watching Nowhere to Go. We'd really appreciate it if you would like and subscribe.